Do you have a bottle of lavender essential oil at home and you're not entirely sure what to do with it? Or you're putting a couple drops in your diffuser and wondering, I wonder if there's anything else I can do with this? The answer is yes, there's so much. Lavender is one of the most powerful essential oils. It's good for literally everything. And I'm going to tell you all about how to use your lavender. Hi, I'm Joanne from Soulful Sister Aromatherapy, and we love lavender like everybody loves lavender. It's one of the most popular essential oils in the world for good reason. It smells gorgeous. It has this florally herbaceous aroma that is just so easy to love. It wraps us like a cozy blanket and makes us feel good about ourselves and secure. But what can we do with lavender? So much. The first thing we use lavender for is stress and anxiety and overwhelm and uncertainty. Lavender is wonderful. Lavender is an adaptogen. What does that mean? Adaptogenic herbs and essential oils help our bodies deal with stress. Physically, our bodies absorb stress and it's very damaging over time to be stressed. And lavender is one of the oils that goes into our bodies and helps our bodies handle stress. It helps our organs and our hormonal secretions to balance out so we're not overwhelmed with stress in our bodies. It contains both linalool and linaloyl acetate. These two naturally occurring compounds in lavender are what make us feel calm. It is an absolute go-to for anxiety and stress. So add this to your diffuser whenever you feel stressed or anxious. You can use this in the bath. We do like to recommend adding it to bath salts first or an oil first before adding it to your bath. You can use this as a massage oil, so many ways. We're going to give you lots of recipes to do, so click through the link below to more recipes on how to use lavender in these ways. So the next way we're going to use lavender is in skincare. Oh my gosh, lavender is amazing for skincare. And we're talking about gorgeous skincare, anti-aging skincare, all kinds of skincare. Lavender helps regenerate cells. Now, we never use lavender straight up on our face. We always combine lavender and every essential oil with a carrier oil before applying it to your face, especially because it's the carrier oils that actually carry it in and help it do all those wonderful things like regenerate your skin cells and give you that gorgeous, healthy glow. Absolutely beautiful. We use lavender in almost all our skincare products here at Soulful Sister, along with other essential oils. It combines beautifully with frankincense and makes gorgeous skincare products. Another way to use lavender, which is the one that probably everybody already does, is for sleep. I mean, who doesn't need help getting a better night's sleep? The world is overwhelming and there's so much on our plates. We need help to shut our mind down, and lavender is just so perfect. So lavender again contains natural sedating properties that help us, our minds relax and our body and our muscles just ease into sleep. So it's absolutely wonderful to use either in your diffuser or mix with a carrier oil and apply to your wrists and temples and inhale before bed to calm us down and help us with sleep. We love mixing lavender with Roman chamomile to make a beautiful, beautiful, calming, sleepy blend. And lavender is also safe to use for children. So it's a great family-friendly oil to use for sleep. Now, how else can we use lavender? Well, one of the things we can do is use this, put this in our first aid kit, because lavender has so many therapeutically healing properties. One is, this is one of the very few oils you can use neat on your skin. What does that mean? It means you can actually put a drop right on your skin. Now, we always say, don't put essential oils straight on your skin, but lavender actually is one that breaks that rule and is actually one of the oils that is safe to put on. When would you use that? When you have a cut, you can put lavender on. It has got antibacterial, antimicrobial properties, so it's perfect to put right on a cut. burns. It is actually specific to burns. So if someone gets burnt and you put lavender neat on the skin, it will heal that burn so quickly by doing that first thing. Put lavender right on a burn. It's actually incredible. So when we say the first aid kit, having it handy in the kitchen or ready to go is just wonderful. How else can you use it therapeutically? Well, you can add it to a carrier oil and use it for pain relief. It's an anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic go together, which means it relieves pain, reduces swelling. So for that, we would definitely mix it with a carrier oil. It's wonderful to use with peppermint because it makes a wonderful pain relieving oil to use. And you can put it on sore muscles or back pain, and it's not only soothing and calms the body, but really reduces pain. And again, click the link below because we will have recipes on how to use this. So have we answered all your questions about how to use lavender? Grab that bottle you have. So wonderful, so soothing, so safe. The family can all use it. It's just the perfect oil, and that's why we all love lavender.